Hello and welcome to Specac. My name's Jim Williams and I'm Specac's Portfolio Product Manager for our range of NIR process cells. Today I'm going to introduce some of the products in our portfolio of NIR process cells designed for the analysis of liquids and gases. We have two products in our portfolio designed for the analysis of liquids: the Vortex cell, which is a flange mounted cell, and the Cascade cell, which is a pipe mounted cell. In our gas range, we have the Typhoon cell, which is equipped with swage lock fittings. The Vortex cell is a flange mounted liquid cell. Body materials as standard are provided in stainless steel 316, but other materials are available upon request, such as Hastelloy C276 and zirconium. As standard, this cell is rated for use up to 280 degrees Celsius, but can reach temperatures as high as 300 degrees. Pressures can be achieved up to 1500 psi. Standard sealing material for the Vortex liquid cell are Cowres 4079 rated O-ring seals, but Specac offer a unique service known as gold diffusion bonding, which enables the cell to be used in the harshest of process conditions. The Vortex cell is equipped as standard with sapphire windows for NIR analysis, but windows can also be changed to quartz for UV analysis. The cell is linked to an NIR spectrometer via use of fibre optic connections, with the standard SMA 905 connection being Specac's choice.